Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the best Telegram callers, influencers, and insiders, and how to copy their trades, and of course, how to make money using their inside knowledge. First up, we're going to be using a brand new tool called Dexcelerate. And actually, this tool changed my mind about callers and shillers because this tool actually shows you the best calls, the ROI, and you can even use their own bots to copy these trades and these shills. And what's really unique about this platform, they also have this web browser interface. It's not a Telegram bot, which makes it easier to track and more accessible to beginners. So first of all, let's jump into the main page of this platform to talk about different features, the team, how it all works, and later I'm going to jump into the actual bot and I will show you how to find the best shillers, the best influencers, and how to actually start copy trading. And as usual, you can find all the links in the description to copy what I'm doing on the screen. So right now we are on the Dexcelerate website and we have some of the key features of the platform. So first of all, they use automated trading bots, which is nothing really new. We have BullX, we have Trojan, we have AngryBot. There is lots of bots, but what's really unique, they have amazing system where they analyze all the different Telegram groups and they even let you input your own Telegram groups to track the calls, to see the ROI, and to copy them. Next up, we have ultra fast transactions. And this is really, really important when we're talking about copy trading. I talked about it in my past videos. The faster you are, the more profits you get because you buy earlier and you also sell earlier. And of course, this way you're getting bigger profit. At that, we have real-time data and insights. And actually this platform, I would say right now in the market, they offer the most data because you get data from Telegram groups. You also get your own data. You're also getting pump.fun data. So they're tracking lots of different data in one ecosystem. And again, this is really great for the traders because you're making informed decisions. As I mentioned, you can actually connect to Telegram and track your own groups, or maybe you paid for some VIP group. For example, my group in the description, you can actually copy these calls. And for example, if you're sleeping and you miss the call, the bot is not missing your call and you're making money while you sleep. This is why I changed my mind about the callers, because usually you have to sit there, wait. And if you miss the call, for example, for a few minutes, you're too late. And with this bot, you could be the first one to buy after the call and of course, get the initial pump and initial profits. And lastly, you can track influencers in real time, which is, I think, the key feature of this platform. And this is the main reason why I switched to Dexcelerate, which I think is still pretty new. I didn't see that many videos about this platform. So subscribe because I'm early on these apps, on these bots. And of course, with crypto, you have to be early. What's also great, they work on multiple chains. So you can see all major tokens and 5 blockchains. And another really unique thing about this project, the team is not anonymous. And this is actually huge for me. You can see the team is right here. You can find their LinkedIns. They have pictures. You can check their past experience. And this is huge because other platforms like BullX, Autosnipe, they actually have private teams, anonymous teams. And of course, with the public team, it's less shady. And of course, your money is safer. So this is just a short intro about the platform. Also, they have really great documents. I will share it in the description where you can find all the different answers for your questions, how it all works, how to get started. But now let's jump into the actual bot. So once you open it, you can see there's lots of buttons, lots of different colors, lots of text. It could start to look really complicated, but the good thing is it's not complicated. I will show you how everything works. So the first thing we have to do is to connect our wallet. I'm using Phantom Wallet. I connected my wallet already because I'm using this bot myself. After connecting the wallet, let's check out all the different features this bot offers and of course why it's unique. So first of all, let's talk about some features we have in other bots. So let's jump into the scanner, and right here you can find all the tokens we have right now in the markets, different blockchains, Ethereum, Solana. We have all the filtering options, top gainers, liquidity, volume, audits. So you can see all the safety features. So you can see we have all the advanced features other bots have. And I would compare it more to BullX because they have this web interface. The only difference is the Dexcelerate is faster. And also they are tracking influencers and insider calls. And you can actually copy trade them. And I think this is a big benefit of using the Dexcelerate, and also the public team is a big benefit. Next up right here, you can see all the chains. So we have BSC, Base, Solana, and Ethereum. And these actually are the most popular chains right now. And they plan to add more chains in the future. Next up, we have this button pump.fun, which is similar to BullX, where we can find newly created tokens. We can find tokens about to graduate, basically tokens that are about to reach bonding curve. And we have tokens that graduated. Again, we have all the filtering options. So you can filter out some scammy tokens, some tokens without social media. So you can make really informed decisions. And now let's talk about some unique features. So we have this button channels. Let's click on it. And you can see right here, we have all the different color channels. So for example, if you're new to crypto, you're not following any colors, you can find these colors right here. And what's really cool, they're actually analyzing all of these call groups, and we have really amazing filters. So let's jump in right here and let's track past 7 days. I think 7 days is pretty fair for the meme coin channels. After that, you can filter these channels by different parameters. For example, how many calls minimum and what is the hit rate. I would recommend you going, for example, let's go 30 calls in the past 7 days. Let's apply it. And you can see we have these 7 groups. I think it's 7, yeah. It is 7. And we have this tab where you can actually see the highest return on their call. At that, you can see the calls during this period, wins, and we also have win ratios. For example, this guy, number 1, Mad Ape, has 60% win rate. He made 48 calls, and the highest return on the call was almost 200x. It sounds really interesting. Let's click on it. And right here, you have all the detailed information about the past calls, the returns. And if we click, for example, 30 days, let's see how he's doing. 54%, again, really great. And you can see this guy even had one call reaching 3,601x of returns on his investment. Again, crazy call. And of course, if you have been using Dexcelerate, you could be copying these calls. How to do it? So right here, you can click copy trade, and you can set up your copy trading settings. But before that, let's add some money to our wallet. So let's click wallet. And right here, you need to create some slots. So right now I am on Solana wallet. So these slots are basically smart contracts, which is way safer than the options we have right now. For example, BullX or AutoSnipe, where you actually send the money to the platform. Because when you're using smart contracts, of course, you can retrieve your funds and the platform is not holding your money hostage. Basically, this will keep your personal wallet safe. So you can see in my personal wallet, I have $757. So let's add $100 to my wallet. I'll use Solana and let's add $100. Let's confirm. After you confirm it on Phantom Wallet, and you can see our wallet got funded by $100. And of course, there's a small transaction fee. That's why we lost 2 cents. Again, it's crypto. There's always transaction fees. And these are actually really, really low fees if compared to other platforms. So right now we have one slot and you can actually create multiple slots, basically to create multiple different wallets, different strategies, different copy trading strategies. But for this example, let's go with one slot. So let's go back, let's go to channels, and let's check out again 30 days. Let's do the filtering. Let's go calls around 24. Let's check out maybe some other guys. Let's see. Okay, this guy, the Don Degens, let's click on it. He has 64% win rate. The highest returns was 251x. And if you want to copy trade, let's click copy trade. I just funded Solana wallet, so you can see slot 1. Let's go 0.4 Solana. Next up, you can see we have more settings. So you can see the targets. So you can actually add targets when the price increases by percentage from your buy. For example, you can set up how much of your position do you want to sell, for example, when the token pumps 50%. So you can actually create a personalized strategy. Let's click off for right now. Next up, you can actually set up stop loss, and actually I recommend you doing that. So when the price decreases by percentage, so you can actually put in the percentage, sell the percentage of your token. So for example, if the token price dips by 40%, if you put in 40%, you can sell 100% of your position. So basically, if the token goes down, you're not losing your funds. You can put in 20. I actually put usually 20 because I'm not that high risk of a trader. So let's delete it. Next up, we have shields. So right here, you can input the maximum buy fee and maximum sell fee. After that, we have priority. So right here, again, let's click Solana. We can input manual slippage, or we can actually have automatic slippage. I recommend you going automatically. And with the gas, again, you can go auto, low, medium, and high. And depending on how much money you're investing or trading, the more you invest, the more you trade, the higher I would set the gas. Because for example, if you're trading thousands of dollars, I recommend you going higher because for example, auto is 0.004 and high is 0.006. It's not a big difference. And actually, if you're trading against other traders, copy trading, the higher gas fees could actually win you some good money. Let's go auto. And also we have the MAV setting right here, the toggle right here, and we have our slot. So as I mentioned, I have Solana slot and it has $100. So for example, if you want to trade different tokens on different chains, you can add Ethereum slot, BNB slot. For this example, I just funded the Solana because right now most of the popular trades are happening on Solana, and all of these, I would say 100x calls are also happening on Solana, or maybe sometimes Base. So once you're ready, you can click start, but we have to set the stop loss. So let's go 20% stop loss. Let's sell 100% and let's start. So you can see our bot is started. And if you go to the bots, you can see our bot is live right here, and you can actually track your buys and sells. Super easy to do. And if we jump in back to terminal, again, you can see all the different tokens, and you can see all of the different callers. You can see all the different callers. You can see when the call was made. How is it doing? So you can see actually callers so far are doing good. And also, as I mentioned, if you have a personal Telegram groups, or maybe you're following some influencer, you're inside some VIP group, you can actually click right here, Telegram. You can connect a Telegram account. You can add these groups and start copy trading these influencers, like VIP groups, whatever you call them. And of course, if you're using tools like Dexcelerate, you can sleep well because you're buying as early as possible, because of course, nobody can beat the bot. And of course, this way, if the call is right, you're maximizing your profits. That's why I like this tool. As I mentioned before this, I never copied any callers because it's really hard to buy early and sell early. But now we have this bot. And so far, as mentioned, not many people are using it. So we have, in my opinion, pretty good advantage. So again, guys, really simple tutorial. You can find all the links in the description for this bot. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our VIP group, the link in description, where you can actually talk with me and I'll answer all your questions personally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.